The bed plate, the frame box, and the cylinder frame are tightened together to form one unit by tie rods. The bottom of the tie rods are screwed into the bed plate. The tie rods are also known as stay bolts. The engine structure from the bed plate to the cylinder frame is held in compression by the tie rods. The tie rods are designed to withstand the cyclic stresses due to the firing forces of the engine. The cylinder frame has an integrated camshaft housing. The cylinder liner is fitted inside the cylinder frame. Cooling water is supplied at the top of the cylinder frame to the cooling space formed between the liner and the frame. The central bore in the bottom of the cylinder frame houses the piston rod stuffing boxes. Doors are provided on the camshaft side for cleaning and inspection. The openings at the exhaust side of the frame connect the scavenge air receiver to the scavenge air space around the cylinder liner. Studs for fastening of the cylinder cover are mounted in the cylinder frame. The frame box is bolted onto the top of the bed plate. It consists of one or more sections. The bed plate along with the frame box constitutes the crankcase of the engine. The frame box is fitted with doors for inspecting and accessing the crossheads, main bearings and connecting rod bearings. Guides for the crossheads are fitted inside the frame. The bed plate is the foundation of a diesel engine. It is designed to support the engine structure and withstand the forces generated in the engine. The bed plate consists of longitudinal girders and a number of transverse girders which support the main bearing. The longitudinal girder provides longitudinal stiffness to the structure so that crankshaft alignment is maintained. The transverse girders are made of cast steel and strong enough to withstand the firing forces of the engine. The bed plate is made in one or more sections and joined together with fitted bolts or welded together. The lubricating oil drains from the bed plate to the sump tank through strainer plates. The bed plate is fitted on the tank top of the engine room. Chocks are fitted between the tank top and the bed plate to compensate the unevenness of the tank top. The bed plate is kept in place by the holding down bolts. Chocks are either made of cast iron or epoxy resin. To take upside and end loads, engines are fitted with side and end chocks. The engine is secured in the athwart ship direction by a number of side chocks fitted in both sides in way of the bed plate cross girder. The engine is secured in the fore and aft direction by one end chock.